Because when their enemies come here playing as friends to position themselves, they're positioned amongst us in our community with their stores. So when we buying single cigarettes, when we buying outdated shit, that's the money they send back to fund the war that the government can't account for. Them Lucy cigarettes and them crackers they get out the box and sell them individual things for sale. That's what they send back. Them nickels and dimes they collecting and stealing us from, that's what they send their kids to school for. So between the Russians and China since the 70s and the 80s have already been positioning themselves to attack America. We're the spoils of war. That's why when they come here, hey, put them in their community. Keep them away from us.
You wanna know something so crazy though? That it is, I rarely see men ask you any intelligent questions. It's all drama.
Cause they ain't intelligent. Nigga, you know niggas interview me. You the only smart nigga interviewing me, nigga. Dr. Umar ain't even this intelligent. That's why he stick with the black and white talk. Everybody our enemy, nigga. We ain't got no brother, no cousin, no. We just got us, nigga.
I just thought about that. I said, man, I rarely can get an interview where a nigga is asking you.
Cause they wanna out talk me. Nigga wanna debate me. That's it, man. I'm smart. Nigga wanna say, oh man, I out talk that nigga. Niggas wanna beat me talking.
Right.
They don't wanna solve nothing and build nothing and create nothing like you doing.
So are you open to other opinions?
Of course. People don't want to. So this is what I realized. They just want to argue. They don't even want my opinion.
That's facts. I just went through that with a nigga on Twitter,
Because I'm saying, I don't want to hurt nobody's opinion. Let's come together, build, create, manufacture, or produce, or pay me for the character. And that's all two black motherfuckers gonna do is argue over their opinion. When they get to their opinion, where the solutions at? Come on now. And then when we get through sharing opinion, we done divide each other because now half-ass don't like it.
Facts.
And we hadn't bonded because we done divided over the opinions.
Right.
So nigga, what? Come on, nigga. So are we gonna entertain, or we gonna get in front of the camera and really build, or we gonna debate? I realize most niggas want to debate. Cause when they get through debating, they don't go back to doing what me and you doing, working in these communities.
No.
They get back on the camera and
they don't do shit for the community.
When this camera come off, nigga, I'm in the community still.
Same.
Still, every city I go to, I'm off camera doing something in the community.
You got a point. They
And I know that when I post it, it don't get no engagement.
None. But if you say some wild shit, or if I say some wild shit, that's what they gonna post. But all the good shit we do, like how you put up on them boys and ask them what they want to eat and all that.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna go as viral as you saying, fuck Charlie Kirk, or you get what I'm saying, all that, right? And two, shit, a lot of black men felt it's just a lot of y'all scared to say it.
Homie, listen, I'm friends. I feel bad for Charlie Kirk. I'm friends with Charlie Kirk's closest friend, people that was at the funeral. And it caused a rift between me and them.
Right.
Nigga, one of Charlie Kirk's closest friend, nigga, my bail bomber, would come get me out of jail for free, would get anybody out of jail for free for me, nigga. Was in partner, his father been doing bail bombing for 50 years. Was talking to my mama to help my mama set up a bail bombing company. That talking stopped because of what I said about Charlie Kirk. But nigga, I said it because I want to show nigga, I talk about white folks too, nigga. I'm a real bold nigga.
That's facts. But let me ask you
this
too.
I did it because I said, okay, white folk were happy when I was talking about niggas. Let me see what this is like. And I did it because they said I have rights. And I thought I had the same rights as white people. And nigga, let me see, because I think I'm white. So I exercise rights like I'm white, nigga. You say I can't say it, my white free speech say I can. So let me show you, nigga. I lost over $150,000 in shows because of that.
Damn.
But I won white folks' respect. They just rescheduled them. And I made $50,000 in interview money that week of losing over that $100,000. Not in comedy, I lost over $150 in comedy, made up $50 in interview money as a brand, not as a comedian.
So do you feel like when you say something controversial, you'll lose money for a little bit, and then people will be like, all right, we fuck with you again?
Because most people that's entertain. Most people that has that's look for amusement have a short attention span because they want to be amused, right? So I look at entertainment and fans and content and the things I say like a roller coaster ride. I'm gonna make you love me one day, make you hate me. I'm not here for neither.
Right.
I'm like a writer who write a book. I just want you to read my book. Your feelings is not in my thoughts when I'm writing my book or my story.
Right.
I have an intent, I have a purpose, I have a synopsis that I follow, that I stick with to write a great book. How you feel while you're reading, fuck your feelings. So when I come on here saying, I know I'm gonna go viral.
Right.
So I attach my name to viral situations. That's why you saying, I'll be NBA Young. So whatever big, I realize if I speak on it, between my algorithm and their algorithm makes me viral. It attaches me to historical facts throughout our time.
Right.
NBA Youngboy just had one of the most top 3 historic tours in America.
Mm-hmm.
I will be noted with that tour because of what I did at the tour that went viral for weeks. That made all the media outlets speak on it.
Oh, because like they wouldn't let you in or something like that?
No. I didn't go in. I went to go viral. I understand that if I say something and you're a legend, you're gonna die a legend. I become one too because of the internet.
Yeah, you attach it by...
I attach it's like you having good credit and you put me on as an authorized user. Now I got good credit. That's why certain niggas who say my name, I won't say their name and make them an authorized user on this good credit.
Facts.
I learned that when T.I. put me in a song. He made me an authorized user. He said I'd never be big as him. When he said my name, he put me up there with him.
That happened with me with...
Oh, I learned. Thank you, Tip. Thank you, Tip. I learned that, homie. So I sit back and I wait for historical events to happen to speak on it and wait to see if I go viral. Charlie Kirk, I'm history now.
Yeah.
King Von, I'm history now.
Yeah.
That's
a bar. That's why a lot of people beef and everything with certain people to try to attach their name. Like, you know, like an underground artist, they'll see him blowing up in the city. He really don't got beef with bro, but he gonna say fuck him.
So what happens
is his way.
I get that light. I get the same light. I get to stand in that big bright light with Kentrell. Most people, when Kentrell go off and don't say nothing, they can't keep the light. I got ways to keep the light. I go viral again a week for the next one.
So you're not worried about being disliked by NBA Youngboy?
No. I showed up. I showed up with a plan.
Right.
To play a villain, not to be liked.
I can respect that. Because
I sat back and saw everybody who once was loved by black people end up not being liked. So I came to play reverse psychology. I'm a likable guy in real life.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna come make you not like me because I'm a likable guy in real life. Most people are not likable in real life, but they are on the internet.
That's fact.
I come to do the opposite.
Yeah.
So I come to play the villain because everybody else trying to play hero.
Facts.
I come to play a villain. I'm not a villain in real life. So I come on there not to be liked. I come to get monetized playing a villain.
Right.
Character. So I don't have a script. I don't have a standard operating procedure for the character. I'm learning on the job.
Same with me. I feel you.
So I'm creating a new job on the internet. A villain character. Because everybody else want to be liked.
I understand you a lot. And then when people tell me, well, he said this, he said that.
I don't mean it.
That too. And I say, listen, man, y'all not from the South. So y'all don't understand that it's 1,000 goddamn Charleston Whites. They just ain't on camera. It's men who literally say the same shit. Drinking beer on the porch or outside, sitting in chairs with their older friends saying the same shit he's saying. But y'all saying he wrong, and I'm like, shit, my dad wrong, my goddamn drunk uncle over there wrong too then. Because they saying the same shit he's saying.
Homie, they saying it. They just not saying it on camera.
Yeah, exactly.
They saying it, not saying it on camera.
For sure.
Oh.
Everybody's afraid of backlash. And one thing I can say about you is, don't get me wrong, backlash can hurt your pockets. It can hurt family. You went through things that you probably never seen on camera.
It hurt my pockets. It hurt my family.
Yeah.
It hurt me a lot, nigga. But it only hurt me to elevate me.
So you're never going to stop.
I'm never going to stop. Why would I fix something that's not broken?
And it doesn't seem like you're afraid of death either.
I'm not. Because why would I be afraid of death when what the death that y'all want to come to me is going to be an evil death? Y'all want somebody to kill me from what I done said.
Right.
What have you said to your wife? What have you said to your neighbor have hurt them? Should you be killed for what you done said? So y'all want me to be hurt for what I done said? So I learned a prayer as a kid. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. The thing that I'm disrespecting and speaking against, I think and believe is evil. So why should I fear death from evil? I speak against gangbangers, street niggas. Y'all dance and celebrate to evil. I speak against evil. No matter what you're saying, I speak against evil.
So a lot of people think that, you know, I see it the way you see it, because I see it the same way. You're a brilliant man. Like, they'll be like, okay, Charleston, you really are a fan of NBA YoungBoy.
Big fan.
But you will speak out against him at the same time.
So let me just say this. I met one of NBA juvenile workers on the internet and developed a bond with him over the phone when he was like 15, 16. He became a fan of me early on when I became on the internet.
NBA YoungBoy himself.
Yeah, himself. I got wind of that. He put my name in that song. My bond for him was already established before he done that. That's why I target him. Like in school, in elementary. The girl that's mean to you like you.
Yeah.
She don't know how to say she like you.
Right.
I've been working with these kind of kids. I know exactly what I'm doing. Long before I came to the internet, I had a partner that spent 30 years in prison for a murder he committed at 12 years old. He and I was in the juvenile system together. Based off what we learned in the juvenile system, we created a 16-week curriculum, a youth curriculum called a street life cycle. Right. We developed a youth facilitator's hand manual to teach juvenile officers, school teachers, mentors, parents, how to work with today's kids that have a value system and a belief system that derives from hip hop culture, right?